What's going on, everybody? So today, Gordon's still in town. We're about to head to my roommate's parents' house to go ahead and do some modifications to my car. We have a long list of things to get done, so we're gonna see what we can get done today. Stay tuned, guys. Meowdy. Oh god, there's people outside.
Vape Nation!
It's Vape Nation, bro. Sick. Alright, well, just follow me.
Eventually. That's gorgeous.
I love the sound of it.
So we just got to Christian's house. We're about to do the rear suspension in my car because we don't have enough time to get the front done today. We're gonna do the rear suspension, and then we're also gonna go ahead and do the rear LEDs. They're gonna be separate videos for like installation purposes, so I'm gonna continue with the vlog. But yeah, I've never been to Christian's parents' new house, but it's pretty cool. House is on a lake. This is Christian's car. I don't know if I've shown it in a video before, but it's about 850 horsepower. So we got Gordon's car here. He's got all the parts in it. My car, and then there's Christian, and this is Christian's brother's 5.0. So we're about to get started. So going in, these BMR Drag Springs. We're just gonna do the rear, so just these today, and then these ones will be put on the struts for the front at a later time, and we'll go ahead and put those on. Gordon's getting all the tools ready and everything, and then we're gonna go ahead and jack the car up, put it on these jack stands on the rear. We go with the springs.
That's a true straight pipe right there.
To go with the springs, we just have some OEM shocks for the rear that have low miles on them, so it should be better than these 120,000 mile ones, but he said it's complete, like, full straight pipe. We're about to
Look at
that is completely straight pipe. I don't know about everybody else, but I love watching cars get foamed down, so Christian's cleaning his car, so we'll watch. Some thick foam. Alright, Gordon got the wheel off, and this is how the spring looks. If you don't know about suspension or springs, the coil being that tight means that there's basically like no cushion. It makes it really stiff. So it looks terrible, but the BMRs, just for reference, obviously these aren't compressed at all. That's what those look like. So I'm sure the shocks are pretty much completely toast after seeing that, so we'll take them off, and it should be pretty interesting to see what they look like and how bad they really are, so we will see. So the other wheel's off now. And I don't know if you can see this, but that spring is
just not the right orientation.
One of them is upside down. So whoever had this car before me is kind of a slight idiot, it would appear, or whoever installed them. I don't want to blame the owner if the owner didn't do it. So hopefully this will fix everything, but that's not good. So right now, Gordon's loosening the bolt on the shock, and then we're gonna take those out first. After that, we're gonna lower the sway bar, and then we'll drop the axle and take the springs out. All right, little update here. We have the BMR spring in, we have new shock in. These I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. They take forever to rebound. Hang on, I'll set it down. All right.
Show them my car for like the end result of suspension.
It just takes forever. It's ridiculous.
One eternity later.
This is what we're going for. Obviously, my results are gonna be a little different because he's got different shocks and struts, and he's got way better fitment than I'll have because he's got a bigger tire and a different offset than I will. But just having the red spring in there looks better. And these are just like caked. And like I said, this one was an upside down. So we're making good progress. These top hats in the trunk were extremely loose. Not extremely, but they were loose. What is?
This.
So it's not gonna go in?
It will. I need a flathead.
Dude, the suspension was so bad. Sorry about the noise in the background. The suspension was so bad that this won't fit in there. This piece is bent. So right now Gordon's trying to get it in there. Hopefully it'll work. Alright. He bent it and got it in. He did bend the screwdriver in the
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
process, but I'm gonna lift up the rear axle and get this bolt in.
Hold on. A little bit. Alright, now lower it.
Hang on. It's a little tight.
Okay, hold on. Drag it up just a pinch. Pinch. Right there. Alright, let me get the, where's the socket that I had? With the 15 on it. Okay, over there. You can already tell how much stronger these springs are.
Yeah. Good. So Gordon is putting the new bolt in to keep the strut in place. Like I said, the shock, sorry. To keep the shock in place. Like I said, the bracket there, which is welded to the rear end, is
you can get relocation brackets. I have them.
Yeah.
And they just mount to the axle. Or you can get them welded. What happens is these will bend if you launch the car too hard.
Okay. So you think I bent it at the track, maybe?
No. Highly doubt that. Because this has been bent for a while.
Okay. So we're gonna, Gordon is gonna tighten this up.
Okay.
Well, I want to give you credit where credit is due.
If y'all ever watch Derek's videos, okay, I do all the work there and I do all the work here. Okay, Gordon Hendricks, mobile.
I'm not gonna argue.
50 mobile mechanic.
Yeah. So we're gonna put the bolts in, get the top hats tight, and then we will go ahead and put the sway bar back up.
Tight.
And should be good. All right. Basically everything suspension-wise is put back together. The top hats just need to be tightened, but the new spring is in. The new shock's in. All this stuff's tightened up thanks to Gordon. This is a reminder I need to do rear brakes. It looks better, just like cosmetically. It seems better, but
No matter what.
I need to do rear brakes.
Oh. Also, a mod that I would suggest you do is what I have. which is the control arm relocation brackets. That's what is broken basically. It'll push up your shock and then your control arm goes into that, and you can adjust if it's straight, angled, or up.
Okay.
Mine sits straight exact. That way I hook. It just goes. That's why, like, even though my car will kick to the right or to the left, it stays straight.
Okay. This side's all buttoned up too, like I said. Just got to do.
A lot better.
It does. Just like, I don't know.
You can see in the springs how much it sits up now, like rigidity-wise. Here, we'll take the jack out.
Yeah. So, for me, like.
Alright, that's the jack out, and you can see how much it.
Yeah, that's
sits.
night and day. And for me, I'm weird. Like, I like performance stuff. I'm big on like cosmetics. So like, I like this because it, you know,
They're literally
it's,
race red.
It's function, but it's it matches now. But no one's ever gonna see that. But
Let's just put these in the trash.
you know, it matches. So this is the site right now at Christian's house. So these, you know, they're used, but they are still good for one thing. So we'll do that. All right, so suspension's all buttoned up, all tightened up. So we're gonna go ahead, throw the wheels back on, and then lower it back down and try to tackle the taillights, which will be a separate video. This random dog just came out of a bush and it's super thirsty, so Gordon gave it water. Not all here is red capes. What are you saying?
Who wouldn't give water to a dog?
Who?
Dairy Baron Productions.
Jeez. All right, so we're taking the jack stand out right now. Gonna lower it, about to see how it sits for the first time, so.
It needs to the other side.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah. Mark Lone Star.
All right. This will be the actual reaction.
The teeter totters. You ready?
All right, here we go. Is it lower?
A little bit, yeah.
Jeez.
Well, it's gonna sit a little bit higher on this one because it's at an angle like this, right?
Yeah.
Once you get on flat ground, you'll see like the real whatever. It's like mine like yesterday. Remember I was like sitting kind of low on that side?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
He's just seeing if you want a little sody pop. Right?
Wait.
Oh.
What is this?
Alright, so here it is on more level ground. Yeah, as you can see, I mean, front still sits where it does, but back might be a little bit higher than it was before. Yeah. You find it? Well, you can see it though? Here, I'll look from the other side. Alright. First impressions right now, driving it feels so much smoother, and I did a little pull back there in second gear and it didn't spin. It hooked, so I'm incredibly happy with how it feels right now. Hopefully the air is not getting on you guys too much, but I'm extremely happy with how it feels right now, and this is only the back. I can't wait to have the fronts done too. So that's gonna be the end of this video, unless I throw in some other vlog type stuff, which I might. So if this is the end, thanks for watching, appreciate it, and hopefully there will be more videos coming soon. We got a lot of stuff that we listed out that we want to film while Gordon's in town, so we'll try to go ahead and get that done, and yeah, should be good. So thank you guys very much for watching.
Please donate to Josh's GoFundMe so that he can afford gluten-free food.
I don't actually have a GoFundMe. I don't think I'd ever do that, but
Matt Morin motoring.
I am super duper low on money, so I'm trying to do the videos for you guys while I can, but you know, I'm in college and I don't make that much at my job. So anyway, that's the end of the video. I guess I'll see you guys in the next one, which will probably just be the LED installation or that. So yeah, that'll go ahead and do it for the 5th time. Got anything you want to say? All right, well, that can't go in. See you guys.